Hey guys, this is Josh with JC Landscaping. So just pull up to mow this newer property I've done for a few weeks now. She was just fertilized last week. And look at this yard. Complete nitrogen burn. Well, when I first pulled up, I was like, oh my gosh, she got army worms. But then I walked around the rest of the yard and it's burnt on the side over here, and some around the back around the fire pit. So yet again, another fertilizing company who does not pay attention to what they do and destroy somebody's yard. I can't say it enough. If you don't know what you're doing with chemicals or fertilizers, don't touch the stuff. This is what happens. This ain't me. This is another company. I do fertilize, but I know what I'm doing. I measure stuff out of what I need, percentage. This right here, guys, this is ridiculous. This is the third yard this year that a chemical company, fertilizing company, has destroyed one of my clients' yards. Absolutely disgusting. Be safe out there, guys. Peace. Well, guys, here is a shot of the side yard. Look at this. These guys destroyed this customer's yard. Absolutely destroyed it. I can't believe this, man. I had this looking so good too. Back here, look at this. Absolutely insane. Oh man. Yeah, we got a lot of rain in the forecast coming up, and the remnants of the hurricane that'll come up this way, so maybe I can get this yard back in shape. Be safe out there, guys. Peace.